Hello, welcome to the fifth tutorial in the HTML Basics tutorial series, and in this tutorial we'll be looking at headings. This tutorial assumes you've done tutorial 1. If you haven't, there'll be a link in the description to the source code, and as usual there'll be a link in the description to the source code produced from this tutorial. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up the code. Just click open, index.html. I was going to get rid of this hello world for now. And the headings tag, there's actually several headings tags. There's h1, well not one, h1. Let's close the tag. And what the headings tag, they have a little bit of styling applied to it by default. You can overwrite it with CSS, but they have a little bit of default styling, mainly just size. Actually, I think that's all it is just size styling. So we'll just put hello world. What we'll do is we'll put hello world above it so you can see the difference between no tag and a h1 tag. So let's go to desktop, HTML, open it up. There you go. We just right click, inspect element. Okay, we have the general text and then we got the h1 text. If we just go back to our code, I'm just going to duplicate this 5 times because it goes all the way to h6. And what you'll notice is it will get smaller and smaller as the tag number increases. Control refresh, just put this down a little bit. There you go. There's h6, h5, 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 h4, h3, h2, and h1, and just some regular text in the body tag without any other div, span, or p tag, or anything else. That's it for headings. That's all you need to do. But I just want to quickly go into engadget.com and actually demonstrate where headings tags are used. So here we have a little article preview, little blog post. This is a little bit of text, probably using a div or a mixture of a div and a p element. But this here will use a h tag. I believe it's h2, so I had a look at it before. If I just right click, inspect element, there we go. It uses a h2 tag. We can just try and see what happens if we change it to h1. Yeah, much didn't happen because they already have a class called h2, and I'm guessing that has its own styling. Maybe they have a h. There you go. They had a class called h1, which is a lot bigger. I'm guessing they got a class called h. Let's try h3. h3. Yep, they got a class called h3 as well, which is a lot smaller. But that's where you can use h tags. You can use it maybe h1 as the main title of your website right at the top, and then maybe h2, h3, h4 for articles and maybe subsections in articles on your website. This is great for a blog or any sort of website. That's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we're going to look at how to add images. Thanks for watching.